Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech for 2025. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer money from Bank Windhoek to FNB. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or just managing your finances across banks, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. With 2025's updated banking apps, transfers are faster, safer, and more user-friendly than ever before. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Bank Windhoek app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. If you're new to this, download the latest version from your app store. It's packed with 2025 enhancements like biometric security and instant notifications. Once you're logged in with your credentials, head to the Transfers section. This is usually front and center on the dashboard for easy access. Next, select Interbank Transfer as your transfer type. You'll see a list of supported banks, including FNB, so go ahead and choose that. Now, enter the recipient's FNB account details. Double-check everything here: the account number, branch code, and amount, to avoid any hiccups. Bank Windhoek's 2025 interface even has a verification tool that cross-references details in real time, which is a game-changer for accuracy. After that, review the transfer summary. It will show you the amount, any applicable fees, which are minimal in 2025 due to new regulations, and the estimated arrival time, often within minutes. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction using your preferred security method, like a fingerprint scan or a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Once confirmed, you're all set. You'll get an immediate confirmation message, and the funds should land in the FNB account shortly. Remember, always keep an eye on your transaction history for peace of mind. Wrapping this up, transferring money between banks in 2025 is a breeze with these tools at your fingertips. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls and save time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.